Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Let's start simple. You train an LLM agent, it works in one turn. You add tools, multiple steps, and suddenly training breaks. This happens all the time with web agents, game agents, and tool using assistants. The reward goes up at first, then the model becomes unstable, or worse, it collapses completely. What's confusing is that people are using standard RL methods, things that are supposed to work. The problem isn't the reward function, it's how we define the actions. Most setups treat every generated token as a separate action. That means thousands of steps per episode. In multi-turn tasks, the environment also injects text back, tool outputs, search results, error messages. So the state transitions become uneven and noisy. The critic struggles to learn anything useful. Now add GRPO on top of that. GRPO samples multiple trajectories, normalizes the final reward, and assigns the same advantage to every token. Early reasoning, late decisions, easy clicks, critical choices, all treated the same. In long horizon tasks, this creates huge variance. The model overfits to easy steps and eventually training collapses. The key idea in this paper is surprisingly simple. Stop thinking in tokens. Think in turns. In a multi-turn agent, the natural unit of decision making is the turn. One observation from the environment, one response from the model. That's one action. So this leads to Turn-PPO. The state is the full interaction history plus the current query. The action is the entire response for that turn. PPO stays the same algorithmically, but the critic now predicts values per turn. Advantages are computed per turn using GAE, and clipping applies to the whole response, not individual tokens. Why does this help so much? Because the critic finally sees consistent transitions. Each step represents a real decision. Credit assignment becomes meaningful. If a turn causes failure later, that turn gets penalized properly. The experiments back this up. On Webshop and Hokoban, GRPO often crashes. Token level PPO is more stable, but still noisy. Turn PPO is consistently stable. Higher rewards, smoother learning curves. Especially when reasoning chains are long, there are still pitfalls. Learning rates matter a lot. The critic must learn faster than the actor, roughly 5 to 10 times faster, and PPO prefers batch diversity. More different questions per batch beats more rollouts per question. Here's the takeaway. Multi-turn RL fails when credit assignment is misaligned. Once you move from tokens to turns, training stops fighting you. And it makes you wonder how many other token level defaults are holding agents back. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which agent system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.